Hello everyone. Good day. How are you doing today? I hope that you are all feeling good and well today despite COVID-19. Welcome back once again to our video classes here in Math with Teacher Riva. You are again listening and watching to Math with Teacher Riva. And for today's video, you are going to learn another set of math concepts in English. Are you ready? Okay, that's good. Just like the previous lessons and videos that we had, we are going to start this video with a review. It's review time. Everybody, say review time. That's right. Good job. Last meeting, we did study about weight measuring tools. We studied about weight measuring tools. First, we have bathroom scale. Again, bathroom scale. Well done. Next, we have here a balance scale. Balance scale. Doing great. This one is platform scale. Again, platform scale. Good job. Let's move on. Can you remember what is this? It's a digital scale. One more time, please. Digital scale. Very good. And how about this? Good job. It's a spring scale. The spring scale is what we focused on the previous video. How do we measure weights using spring scale? First things first, you have to familiarize the parts of it. We have the face, pen. The face has the numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Numbers 0 to 7. And it also contains the pointer, which helps us to know the weight of an object. The pointer is this one, the black arrow on the face. And then we also have the pan. This area over here is the pan. The pan is where we put the object to be measured. Again, this is the face. This is the pan. Alright. Good. And don't you have to remember, kilograms could also be written in kg for short. Kg would stand for kilograms. Example, You look at the pointer, you say the number and add the unit. You have below, where is the pointer pointing to? In this example, the pointer is pointing at, okay, very good. The pointer is pointing at 1. Great job. So you write here 1. What's the unit? The unit of measurement could be kilograms or grams. Now, this bag of sugar, what is a correct way or correct unit to use? Very good. Use kilogram or kg. Therefore, our weight for this bag of sugar is 1 kilogram. You put together your answer for pointer and the unit. Another one. The pointer points at, okay, very good. Pointer points at 1. What's the unit? It's kilogram. Therefore, this bag of sugar weighs 1 kilogram. Again, this bag of sugar weighs 1 kilogram. How about these fishes? If we try to weigh these fishes, what could be its weight? Let's put a pointer, unit, and the weight. Pointer. Where is the pointer pointing to? Good job. It's pointing at 2. So you go right 2. Okay? What's the unit for these fishes? Very good. You use kilogram still. So the weight would be 2 kilograms. These fresh fishes weigh 2 kilograms. These fresh fishes weigh 2 kilograms. Okay. We also had comparing weights. Which one is heavy and which one is light? Supposing that this puppy is 3 kilograms and this pig is 7 kilograms. We compare the two weights. What can we get? Is it greater than, less than, or equal to? Okay, it is less than. The pig is heavier than the puppy. Or the puppy is lighter than the pig. Another one. This book and this coconut. This book weighs 1 kilogram and 200 grams, while this coconut weighs 1 kilogram and 600 grams. Try to look at the kilogram. This is 1 and this is 1, right? So that means it is equal. But we still have value for grams. Here we have 200 and for the coconut we have 600. What can you tell about its weight? Alright, it is 1 kilogram and 200 grams is less than 1 kilogram and 600 grams. That is, the coconut is heavier than the book, or the other way around. The book is lighter than the coconut. Remember that if we compare two, the word heavy becomes heavier, and the word light becomes lighter. Can you remember it? Heavy becomes heavier if we compare two. Light becomes lighter. Example: Molly is 45 kilograms, while Holly is 38 kilograms. We compare 45 and 38. Which is big, 45 or 38? It is? Very good. It is 45. 45 is greater than 38, which means Molly is heavier than Holly. Or we can also write as 38 and 45, which is small, 38 or 45. It is? Very good. It is 38. Therefore, 38 is less than 45. Holly is lighter than Molly. You get it? Now what if these tangerines are 3 kilograms, these pomelos weigh 6 kilograms, and these apples weigh 7 kilograms? We compare these 3 items. So we write 3 and 6 first. 3 and 6, which is small? Is it 3 or 6? Very good. It is 3. So we have here 3 is less than 6. How about writing 3 and 7? Or 6 and 7? Which is small? Is it 6 or 7? Very good. You have 6. How about 7 writing over 3? It is greater than 7. That means tangerines are lighter than pomelos since 3 is more than 6. Pomelos are lighter than guavas since 6 is less than 7. And guavas weigh the heaviest because 7 is greater than 3 and is also greater than 6. Okay? That's about comparing the weights of items using a spring scale. This time, we're going to move to another topic, and it's all about, and it's quite related with weight. And this is volume. Okay, repeat after me. One more time. Volume. It is spelled as V-O-L-U-M-E. Volume. Alright, good job. What is volume? If we try to look at this picture, you have here 2 containers. What do you call this one? The blue one? We call it containers. One more time. Containers. Alright, containers is the tool that we use to hold certain goods. Now, how many containers do we have? Again, how many containers do we have in this picture? We have, let's count together, alright? Okay, very good. Now let's ready. 1, 2. We have 2 containers. Container A and container B. What can you see on the containers? You see rice grains. How do you describe it? Okay, let's read together. Cup A, this one, this is cup A, has more rice. Again, cup A has more rice, which then means that cup B has less rice. Okay, cup A has more rice while cup B has less rice. Therefore, the volume of the rice in cup A is higher. High, many, big, same words, higher than the volume in cup B. Again, the volume of the rice in cup A is higher than the volume in cup B. This is big, this is small, this is high, and this is low. How about this one? How many containers do we have? We have, very good, we have 2 containers, bottle A and bottle B. We try to look at the water levels of each container. Which has more water, A or B? Or which has less water? Is it A or bottle B? Alright, very good. We can tell that bottle B, which is this one, the water is up to the bottle's head, right? So we say bottle B has more water. Again, bottle B has more water. Bottle A has less water. Bottle A has less water. That means, okay, it means that B has more water than A. A is only up to here, but B has its water level up to the bottle's neck. We can conclude that the volume of the water in bottle B is higher. That means big is higher than the volume in bottle A. Very good. Again, the volume of the water in bottle B is higher than the volume in bottle A. B is high while A is low. concept of volume. The more water or the more item in a container, the higher its volume. But if small volume, less water, less item, that also means lower volume. Okay? Alright, very good. Now, let's try to identify higher volume versus lower volume. Let's do first. Let's try to answer the following. Let's try to answer the following. Are you ready? Okay, well, if you are ready, then let's try to answer the following items. Let's have first determining or identifying higher volume. Alright? Let me show you these pictures. We have bowl A and we have bowl B. You try to look and identify which bowl has more water or has a higher volume. Is it bowl A or bowl B? Bowl A or bowl B? Higher volume. It is? Very good. The higher volume is bowl. The volume of the water in bowl B is higher than the volume in bowl A. The volume of the water in bowl B is higher than the volume in bowl A. Alright, next one. Let's still have higher volume. Higher volume. Look at the pictures. We have here a bottle. This is bottle A, for instance. This is bottle B. Which bottle has a higher volume? Is it A or B? Is it A or B? Higher volume. We have, alright, we have bottle A. Bottle A has more water than bottle B. Thus, the volume of the water in bottle A is higher than the volume in bottle B. Again, the volume of the water in bottle A is higher than the volume in bottle B. Alright, this time, let's do lower volume. Lower volume. We have here another cup of rice and cup B. Cup A, cup B. Or we shall say bowl A, bowl B. Which one has a lower volume? Which one has a lower volume? Is it A or B? Very good. It is bowl, bowl B. The volume of the water of the good in bowl B is lower than the volume in bowl A. The volume of the good in bowl B is lower than the volume in bowl A. Alright, another one. Still, we do lower volume. What container contains lower volume? Is it A or B? Again, we need to look for the lower volume. Which container has a lower volume? Is it A or B? We have? Very good. You have container B. The volume of the water in container B is lower than the volume of water in container A. This has less water, more water. In other terms, less water, lower volume. More water, higher volume. How about if we compare three containers? We have three bowls. This is bowl A, B, and C. Which has the higher volume? Which has the higher volume? We put a blue circle on a higher volume and red circle on a lower volume. Which one has a higher volume? Is it A, B, or C? Okay, we have B, and the lower volume is C. The highest volume of water among the three is container B. Highest volume of water is container B, while the lowest volume of water among the three is container C. Again, the highest volume of water among the three is container B, while the lowest volume of water among the three is container C. Always remember, more water or more good means higher volume. If less water or less good means lower volume. Alright? Okay. Let's say what are those highlighted words for this topic. Repeat after me. Volume. Again, I'll repeat. Volume. Your turn. One more time. Very good. Next, we have higher. Higher. Your turn. One more time. Very good. Let's have the last one. Say lower. Lower. Your turn. One more time. Very good. This video, again, is all about finding the volume and identifying which one is higher and which one is lower. So, that will be all for today's video. Thank you for listening. I hope you have learned something from today's presentation. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you so much. Keep safe always. Goodbye.